It's a hard knock life for us. It's a hard knock life for us.
Why don't you guys laugh about it? Okay, do it.
Move that dope. Young nigga move that dope, baby, move that dope, baby, move that dope. Young nigga move that dope.
You come and take lessons from me, you'll be a proven drummer in no time. I can even teach animals how to play. Check it out. Macy, give me a beat.
No flex, zone. They know better. They know better. Wanna go?
You want some cocaine? You want cocaine? Do you want some fucking cocaine?
I don't fuck with them chickens unless they last name is Cutlets.
So popular, you look. I'm so popular, I am. I'm so popular, you look. I'm so popular.
Say hi. Say hello.
Hands up.
Quincy, if you bark one more time, you're going to go in timeout. Oh, timeout. Shut up!
Down. Up. Come on. Down. One more.
Love this dog so much. Sadie? What in the world? Alright, say bye. Say bye for Good job.
Hey, you're a dog.
What do you mean?
Brent!
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Bob, what's that? Is that your food? Oh. Come on. Come on. Come on, guys.
Fuck that. Show you how to be the man, how to be the boss, how to buy the car, how to buy the house. Show you how to be the man.
Where's the catnip?
Let's take off 31 right, Delta, 1120, 1 heavy mistake.
It's me and you, Surf. Till death do us part.
There's no going back.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky.
Why does he just jump in there?
Wow, you look really soft. I want to feel you.
Can you go get me a roll of duct tape? That's my girl. Good job.
Lily, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
Quincy, 1, 2, 3. Woo!
Steven, I love you. I love you.
That must feel great.
Sadie, who's your best friend, Sadie? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
Mulder, where's your girlfriend? Good boy.
Ready? Catch.
Freddie! Why don't you swim?
He likes the best. He can lay there.
Freddie!
Kitty. Where's he at? Come on, Vance.
Sadie, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?